everyone. It's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. Inside Verstappen. These are fascinating times we are living in. For markets, for geoglobal, geopolitical, for the world, for the leaders, for the economies, for everything. We've got presidents meeting with Kanye West. We've got Saudi Arabians and Turkish dealing with interrogations gone wrong. We've got death in journalists. We've got poisonings by Russians. We don't know what's going on. But net at the end of the day, we've got headlines going out all over the place. At the end of the day, what moves this market are the fundamentals with little headlines here and there. There's a little window dressing, some sprinkle on top of the salad. Today was a fascinating day. We opened, I believe we opened down 50, rallied back up 100, and literally must have gone up and down 10, 20 times during the day. Okay, we rallied into the afternoon on, I really believe there's a bit in this marketplace, right? I don't think that the momentum on the sell side is still here. We've got earnings coming in. They were not bad. We had some retail that was a little bit weak. Netflix coming in tonight, but at the end of the day, the fundamentals seem strong. The earnings on banks so far were solid. I think the initial anxiety and fear that really propelled that sell-off last week seems to be over for the time being, though I would not say that we've shaken it all out. It seems like at the end of today, one little spark on the fire could initiate it once more time. So we rallied twice into the end of the day. Market seemed fine, solid, and good. And then we ended up posting out $2 billion to sell. So $2 billion for sale on closing bell template means that people are getting out of stocks and into other segments. There's stocks moving around. Dollars, 820 million shares, not something to sneeze at. But when we're seeing directionality in that way, like on the close, like 90% sell, as we've seen 2 days, 3 days in a row now, meaning that people by the end of the day are deciding to shift money out, take profits, and move them elsewhere. Whether it's treasury bonds, whether it's other ETFs, tech sector's getting hurt too. At the end of the day, though, today we had the news coming out of Saudi Arabia, in fact, that they will be admitting to some complicity in the death of the journalist in an interrogation that went bad. That could have something to do with it. Our lives, our economies, and our worlds are intermingled pretty severely with the Saudi Arabians as friends of Mr. Trump, as oil partners, and whatnot. So if there were to be, and could be quite a caustic end to this situation, that could impact a lot of things. Oil was up 30, 40 cents, back rising up to 71.5, 72. Transports are up. The market closed down, and that was sort of a short-term sell-off. It came in the end of the day with $2 billion to sell, plus some headlines out of Saudi Arabia. Let's not read that much into it. For me, it feels like there is a bid in the market. Sell side comes in, buyers come into the market, and they buy it back up. So it's sort of a seesaw of buys and sells, money coming in and out, money being transferred around. It is the fourth quarter. It is the middle of October. There's a lot going on. A lot of hair on this story. Not on my head. NYSE Einstein, Inside Verstappen from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. Let's see what happens overnight. I'll see you again tomorrow.